Gallinero!
Bueno, gente, ya llegamos al truck show.
Yeah. We're gonna spin the Explorer?
Chill. I was spinning on the when it was snowing, no? Yeah, on flashback. Did a flashback. We're here with the same crew, pretty much.
Watch
And we
out
brought
for
Sosa. Another week. We were about to get kicked out and shit already, but I guess we're still here. We'll see what we do. If they can even hear us, 'cause it's hella windy.
Well, the day got hella nice though. The day got hella nice.
They did. Oh, look, you faded as fuck.
Are you not cold? Cold? It's cold.
Ooh.
One of those almost hit us.
Is that Jason? I heard my name. I heard Bola. Santos cielos. Quiero pelear. Huh? 1 out of 10?
11, dude.
1 out of 10?
A lot.
The drifting? 1 out of 10?
Oh, the drifting.
Yeah, the drifting.
Like 6.5.
Like 6.
You? 6.5. 6.5?
Man, nobody's really staying on there. It's just like 10 seconds and then you're up. Yeah. That one's about to do some.
Well, so I feel like if they have like the barrier shit, it will be easier and shit.
Yeah.
But who knows?
I don't know. They're just not like holding it.
I would have been whipping my Honda easy right now.
If I had my truck here, I'm just saying.
I could have won a trophy if I brought my truck. Bro. I'm just saying.
Damn.
The trophy for the worst driver?
Shut up.
Oh, yeah. Next burnout. If I were my truck, they would have thought I was running the show. But I'm just saying.
They would have thought you were running like the food court or something.
You want to see? Ya llegó el patrón. VIP parking y todo. If I would have brought my truck. Huh?
They would have given you an award for fastest Kimberly.
I'm a fucking gay. I'm in the line.
We're all hiding behind Bola.
Chill. On the barrier. Chill. No. Damn, it's hella windy, bro. I don't even think they're there. Huh?
Hi, how are you?
Who's driving?
We're done.
You didn't pull into the taco truck.
Oh, we're fucking dying. And straight to the fucking pit. Oh, yeah, that's a gremlin. That's a gremlin. I told you that was a gremlin. What did I say? What did I say?
Look at the fuck showing up.
Yeah, bro. I knew they were gonna show up. Look. No, this is the buckets.
How do you know?
How
do you know?
Cause I know.
Like,
Yeah, you know what I mean? Let's take over, homies. This nigga's connected with all these people. Name is Wendy.
So I've just been laughing like this entire time.
do we consider where we live a small town?
Hell yeah.
Don't consider what?
Do we consider where we live a small town?
Yeah.
A small town?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Vancouver's pretty big.
No, because then it goes to Camas or Battleground.
Oh, true.
Vancouver itself is hella small.
Let's go get some tacos.
Yeah.
I'm too high.
That's what-
Bueno, mi gente, we just got some tacos. I guess everyone bought some. I didn't get some. You know, we're still on the diet.
Fucking finish them.
Chill.
Shut the fuck up.
3 minutes.
This is what you do to plates, bro. This shit was full of tacos.
Hey, this nigga started eating and they hit him with the 3 seconds later. It just looked like that.
Chill. Okay. For food, but they didn't even have anything. Oh, the ice cream truck I ordered. Look, it's coming my way.
They track this nigga.
I have a tracker on.
Yeah.
Chill.
You set the location.
Tumbado, pañuelo a su lado, del sur soldado, loco y maleado, bien mexicano.
You have,
Tumbado, pañuelo a su
The
lado,
candy corn.
del sur soldado, loco y maleado.
Bueno, gente, ya andamos aquí. Chill.
¿Todos estos carros que ven? Se los presté.
Esta también, esta es la más bonita, ¿no?
No, esta...
Es del Junkie.
Sí, te lo regalo.
What you want? Where we at? We outside.
What type of shit is that?
I don't know. Eso es del diablo. Es pecado. Esto es del diablo.
Ese es el diablo.
Ah, leave my cock alone. Them wish Chill. What'd you say? The Bluetooth connected successfully.
They make LGBTQ wheels.
Tell me why he really got them Bluetooth wheels. Huh? He got them Bluetooth wheels. Hey.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Where? Which one? Oh, the white one, the white one.
Oh, okay, man. I need that video.
detail.
So I guess a car crashed into another car. You know, people are beefing. So that's what kind of sucks with this whole car community stuff when you mess with other people's stuff. But that's where everyone's at. But brincale.
Really, nigga?
Keep on pressing over there.
Huh?
They keep on pressing this fool over there.
They're pressing him? Wait until they start bashing his car. Hey. He got shot.
Back to the trap mobile.
Back to the trap. So no hands were thrown. No hands were thrown.
Gallinero on wheels.
Chill. No hands were thrown, so I guess nothing big was happening. That's Black Panther, that's crazy.
Drunk J-Man's is a whole different thing. Oh yeah.
What are the Fortnite you made? Oh, Popo! Popo! Man, it's raining, it's pouring, we're still out here.
This is active.
How's it raining? Look at this fool.
Fucking mojadas, homie.
Chill.
Bélico me miro, ando con los plebes, ando bien zafados y ando pisteando, grabando videos, pura babosada, y en el gallinero aquí siempre me verán, aquí siempre me verán, aquí siempre me verán.
¡La policía!